Okay, this is Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers Leak Detection Service, and we're out here for a customer, and I'm going to take you in here, and I'm recording this video for insurance purposes, and I'm going to add it to his digital invoice. That way the insurance company and him have a record. There's been a lot of water damage done to his home. Underneath here, I opened up that. You could see that wall is soaking wet. It's soaking wet on the inside. They need some water restoration right away. Come across here. There's going to be water damage here underneath the tile, so they're going to make an insurance claim. Today I'm only locating the leak. The leak is in a hot water supply, and it's coming up that plastic. See right there? So I've used leak detection equipment to locate it. Now, due to the location of the pipe, what we're going to attempt to do when we return is to expose the leak underneath the cement slab. So the next step is a $550 minimum, $550. So that's part of my quote on here. We've done the $300 leak detection today. $550 is to expose the leak. That's usually covered towards, of course, the customer will have the deductible. But the leak detection and exposure usually goes towards the deductible. On top of that, we'll have to do a Cpvc pipe repair. We won't be able to clamp this one. It's not a copper pinhole leak. This is Cpvc on the hot side, and Cpvc on the hot side is known to get leaks in it at fitting. So this could be a bad glue joint, or it could be a known issue with Cpvc. It's supposed to be rated for the hot water, but sometimes the water gets too hot and we get a break, and it's usually on the hot side. This one is indeed on the hot side. What we've done in the meantime for the customer, so they can use cold water, because they're going to schedule us to come back for a repair, they want to get the approval from insurance first. Even though I informed the customer we do not bill insurance companies, so if we do it, the customer will have to pay us and then get reimbursed from insurance. But you'll have his deductible anyway, which is usually about $1,000. I don't know what his deductible is. I didn't ask him, but so it wouldn't matter anyway until you get to your deductible. So that's why billing is not an issue with these situations. We're usually under the deductible. So $300 leak detection is completed. Water's shut off, so he can at least use the cold without a leak right now. Only turning on the hot when he needs it, understanding that it will leak in the house. And next part is to demo hammer and hope that we can get it from this laundry side without moving the laundry tub. We will end up breaking a hole to the side right here, breaking out the tile. That's the part that insurance will have to cover if you're retiling or anything like that, the stuff to put back. So I'm going to add this video to your invoice.